Hi, good evening. Hi, this is Krishna. Here in this video, we're going to see how to develop a ladder logic with on and off push button just to switch on a lamp. This is very basic tutorial for the beginners just to understand how the ladder is working. Okay. So here I will going to explain the logic in Mitsubishi FX PLC. The software I am using is GXbox2. So just selecting the basic PLC FX CPU and type is FX3U. The language we are going to see is ladder. Here the left side, the project navigation is the project window. So here it have parameters, PLC parameters, network parameters. If we are using any network communications, we will configure it here, and if we have any special or intelligent modules, that can be configured through this dialogs. And it's a command area, and it's a program setting area, and it's a programmable unit area. Means that's a program will be in this main file. Okay, so we are selecting this main file. The ladder will have two vertical lines. The left side is a line, they will say it as a line. Okay, and the right side is this vertical line, the right side is a neutral one. The condition between this line and neutral is our logic. Okay, so the left portion, normally in the left side of the ladder, will be the inputs for the outputs at the right. Okay, based on the conditions that we are giving in this left hand portions, that we call it as input conditions. If all these input conditions are true, then the respective outputs will turn on. This is how the ladder works. Just we will see one small example. In Mitsubishi, the input is X0. We are considering it as on push button, and X1 is next input, it is off push button. Okay, and the output we are going to use is Y0, it is lamp. So if we press on push button one time, the lamp will turn on and it remains in on state until we press the off push button. Both these push buttons are in NO element. Okay, both on and off buttons are in NO element. So now I am going to develop. So here is NO contact, and I am writing the address X0, and if I like to enter the command, here it is on PB. To view the command, we can go here and click it, so it will be there. Then output will be Y0, it is lamp. and to make the output to on, even if this on push button is not there once, means we need to put an holding coil. Here it is coil 0. Okay, and here if we press the input, the output Y0 will turn on, and after turn on it will be remain holding through this Y0. To make this input off, we need to put another input, that is off input, as X1. Okay, so we can do review and then we can simulate it to check our logic. Okay, so normally this contact is NO contact, so normally it will be in open, and this is NC contact, so normally it will be in close. If this input X0 is coming to the PLC input, means this X0 will, this normally open NO will become close, and the circuit will flow from the left to right and up to Y0 and make the Y0 to turn on. Okay, that we can so let me make it turn on. So output, so here after every exit turns on, the circuit makes a flow to Y0 and turns on the Y0 to on. So the state becomes Y0 equal to 1, and through this it becomes holding. Okay, so if X0 turns off, okay, now X0 is in off state and X1 also in off state, so the output Y0 will remain in on. Okay, so if I press the off button, the output Y0 goes off, and if I release, it will become normally close. We should not get confused with NO contact and NC contact. Normally the NO contact will close if the input turns on, and the NC contact will remain in close until the input turns on. Okay, so these two normally we will get confused. Okay, in some situations or in some places, the stop or off buttons will be wired to NC element. For that we need to change the logic, that we will see in our next video. Since this is a beginner's tutorial, so it will be simple for some experienced persons, and this will be useful for the beginners. Okay, if you like the videos, please subscribe and follow for further videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.